If I told you that this entire page over 100 high-quality product lifestyle images, complete with SEO titles and descriptions, was built in just 1 hour without me writing a single word, would you believe me? I just needed one single prompt to get AI to build an automation program for me that writes stylish copy and generates product scene prompts. Stick around. I bet you're going to regret for not learning this sooner, and for all the time you wasted manually copy-pasting and waiting for AI responses. But this isn't just about saving time. Every single image here is now running 24/7 on Pinterest, driving Amazon affiliate traffic and waiting to generate passive income. This system has even become my freelancing secret weapon. I can use it to mass generate high-quality social media assets for clients and charge them production fees, while my own cost is basically zero. Honestly, looking at all this auto-generated content, my only feeling isn't excitement. It's regret. I regret that I waited until last month to write this script. Before this, I wasted hundreds of hours manually writing posts, thinking up copy, and hunting for images. I was burned out, and my traffic was pathetic. Just imagine if you had owned this automation system 6 months ago. You would have thousands of pins circulating online right now driving traffic, and your passive income system would already be built. But I'm not going to gatekeep today. In this video, I'm sharing everything. I will walk you through my private automation workflow step by step. I'll reveal the exact AI prompt I used, and the crucial Excel configuration file. All included in this handbook. You can find free download link in the description box. Even if you've never written a line of code in your life, I'll teach you how to run this bot for free using Google Colab. Stop trading your time for money. Are you ready? Let's get started. A lot of people ask me. I tried asking ChatGPT to write code, but the code it writes never works. The reason is simple. Your prompt isn't precise enough. This specific prompt is my secret weapon. Let's break down why it works. Alright, let's crack open this master prompt. This isn't just a random paragraph. It's a set of precise instructions. First, I would declare, I need to use the Gemini API to generate content and image prompts for Pinterest pins. I will read the product sheet names, which can vary in number, from the product sheet name column in the process config sheet of my Pinterest affiliate data.xlsx file. And then, I will also read the contents of the styles config sheet to define the styles for prompt generation. Each product will generate content for every specified style. This is second point. The double loop logic. This phrase is the soul of mass production. I told the AI, each product must generate content for every specified style. What does that mean? If you have 3 products, but you set 10 styles in your config file like I did, what will happen? The program automatically churns out 30 completely unique posts. That is how my output exploded instantly. Next, I will tell AI how my input is, prompt like this. The product content itself will come from my Excel file, Pinterest affiliate product.xlsx, using the following columns for each row: product ID, product name, affiliate link, image name, product disk. These are required fields. The image_name column will include the file extension. Both the images and the Excel files will be stored in my Google Drive. What I do here is defining the input data, point to the section listing product_ID, product_name. This is the most critical step. I didn't vaguely say read the Excel. I explicitly told the AI, you need to read the product_ID, product_name, and affiliate_link columns. If you don't give the AI these exact column names, the code it writes will be blind and will definitely crash. Now that the AI knows what to read, I need to tell it exactly how to deliver the results. I don't want a messy text file. I want something I can use immediately, so I say, the output should be an Excel file name generated content timestamp, source X, with the following columns: pin name for upload, image prompt for AI, pin title, pin description, pin keywords, and so on. All rows should be populated with the original product content and the AI-generated content. I also added a specific rule for organization. The pin name for upload should be generated as product ID plus style name. Here is why this matters. I am forcing the AI to structure the data perfectly. By combining the product ID and the style name into a new file name, I ensure that when I upload these to Pinterest later, I know exactly which image belongs to which style. No confusion, just a clean, organized workflow. But remember, we are running this on my laptop. We are running this in the cloud. So I need to give the AI context about the environment. I add, please instruct me on how to read files from Google Drive in Google Colab, and how to save the generated upload file back to Google Drive. When processing each route, the product image needs to be uploaded as a reference for the AI. This acts as the bridge. I'm reminding the AI that we are in Google Colab. This ensures it writes the specific code needed to mount your Google Drive, so the program can actually reach into your folders to grab the images and save the new Excel file back to your drive safely. And finally, the most important line for stability. I added this note at the very bottom. Not, don't use mime_type to upload image. Use something like below, product_image equals image.open image_path. This is my technical failsafe. I know the standard image upload call provided on the Gemini API website doesn't work for most systems. Seriously, Google, can you hear me? Do you know your own documentation has issues? Your code even failed on Google Colab. So, I forced the AI to use image.open, a specific, stable method from the pure library. This is the true value of prompt engineering. It's not just asking for things. It's predicting errors and fixing them in the instructions before they even happen. Okay, we have the code generated by the prompt, and we have the Excel. Where do we run it? You don't need an expensive computer. We use Google Colab, a free cloud supercomputer provided by Google. But before you hit the play button, there are two settings you absolutely cannot miss, or the program won't move. Step 1. Mount Drive. You'll see these two lines drive.mount at the start of the code. Run it. Google will pop up a window asking if you allow access. You must click allow. This is like plugging your USB drive into this quad computer, so it can actually read the Excel and images you just uploaded. Step 2. Set the secret key. Never paste your API key directly into the code. That's dangerous. Instead, go to the key icon on the left, add a new secret called Gemini_API_key, and paste the free key you applied for from Google AI Studio. Remember to toggle the switch on the right to on. This lets the program safely grab the key without ever leaking it. Paste the API key and type GEMINI_API_KE1 Gemini API key. Set these two things up, hit run, and go grab a coffee. No, you don't even have enough time to get a coffee. Your Excel will be filled with fresh titles, copy, and AI image prompts in minutes. See, this is the result. Just 2 products with 10 style. There will be 20 pins in seconds. I know those technical details might be a bit dizzying for a first-timer. So, I have compiled the original prompt, the Excel templates, and the detailed Colab manual into a free PDF starter kit. You can download it for free using the link in the description below. The Gumroad link is right down there. All you have to do is click the option that says free version. That gets you the full detailed tutorial and my secret master prompt. And yes, it is totally free, of course. If you want to thank me, you could buy me a coffee. Wait, I don't drink coffee. Buy me cat treats, the fishy ones. I would be very grateful. But if you're thinking, oh my god, setting up Colab and mounting drives is too much hassle, and you want to be like me, just double-click on your desktop and start running with advanced features like auto debugging and connection retry. I also developed a package desktop software. No environment setup needed, just download, unzip, and run. You can find that in the link as well. Whether you choose the free method or the paid version, the point is to start now. Automated time is money. Don't let manual work steal your passive income anymore. If you run into any issues with the code, or if there is a specific automation tutorial you want to see me build next, drop a comment below. I read every single one, mostly to check if anyone is offering me salmon, but I read them. In the upcoming videos, I am going to teach you how to do batch image generation taking these prompts we just made and turning them into hundreds of stunning images automatically. I will also show you how to create the perfect bulk upload CSV format, so you can blast all this content onto Pinterest in a single click. And you definitely want to smash that subscribe button right now. Why? Because this text generator is just step 1. I have a lot more passive income automation content coming your way, so subscribe, ring the bell, and let the robots do the work for you. Now, go start the script. I have a nap to take. Bye.